Is your iPhone showing low network signal all the time? Don't worry, here are 7 proven fixes to boost your signal and solve the issue step by step. First, launch your settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This quickly resets your iPhone's network connection. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option About. If you see a pop-up for your carrier settings update, tap Update. If not, move to next step. Disable VPN. For that, head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to any VPN, just disconnect to it. Sometimes VPNs interfere with mobile signals. Update iOS. For that, head back. Now scroll up and navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, tap Download and install. Running the latest iOS often fixes network bugs. Next up, reset network settings. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings, confirm again. Don't worry, this won't delete personal data, only Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and network settings. If these solutions didn't work out for you, first restart iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This refreshes your iPhone system and clears signal glitches. If nothing works, reach out to mobile carrier. Sometimes they need to refresh your account or reset settings on their end. And that's it. 7 ways to fix low network issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.